thinks Maldives can be visited all the months of the year, and this is where you ruin your money invested in such a luxurious trip. Choosing a wrong month can ruin your trip and the large chunk of money you have invested, and choosing the right one can create a lifetime experience for you. Most of the time, people message me, what is the best time to visit Maldives? What is the cheapest time to visit Maldives? Is it raining all the day? What are the rainy seasons? Can we plan a budgeted honeymoon in the Maldives? So, let me answer all these questions in the very short span of time. I'll tell you what are the seasons in Maldives and what is the best time you can plan your trip. And honestly, stop Googling. Google makes it all very, very confusing. So if you're new here, hi everyone, I am Shubhi, working and living in the Maldives. And trust me, I have experienced all the seasons of the Maldives, the storms, the calms, the rains, the winds, everything. So today I'll tell you the real best time to visit Maldives depending on what kind of traveler you are. So first let me tell you, there are mostly two seasons that the Maldives follow. One is the dry season and one is the wet season, that is also known as the monsoon season. Let's talk about the most expensive and the peak season in the Maldives, that is the dry season. Now when we talk about the dry season, it mostly falls between November to April, and this is the season where if you are wanting no compromise on the sunrises and sunsets, if you want to see the real calm seas, the beautiful separate colors of the oceans, this is the time you can book your tickets. But let me tell you, since it's the peak season, the airports will be crowded, the resorts prices will be very, very high. Even the local islands prices increases that time. If you're coming for honeymoon, first international trip or once in a lifetime vacation, then this is your season. I repeat, November to April. Now let's talk about my personal favorite and the second season that follows Maldives is the wet season, or it is also known as the monsoon season. Now you would wonder why any of the tourists would like rainy season. Come on, investing such a large money, such a large chunk of money in the resorts, and it's raining and you're sitting in your resort or the villa. Trust me, the Maldives rains does not last long. It's just the short burst and it goes away. So this monsoon season, we also call it the budget friendly season. It usually falls between the month of, you can say, May till October. So you get sunshine and sometimes you can get occasional rains depending on the weather, depending on the winds, but you get fewer crowds, you get cheaper deals, and you get the lush green islands. Trust me, it's beautiful. So for the digital nomads or the people who are looking for the budgeted travel, they can definitely come during these seasons, as the island will actually give you an island feel of the less crowd around you. So I hope your mind is clear on how to invest your money in the Maldives trip mindfully and what is the best time to visit the Maldives. If you want more such contents or have any questions related to your trip in Maldives, you can drop in the comments, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.